With the rising cost of things here in Nigeria and how much naira is falling against dollars, it is very important for one to find the exact place to get things at the cheapest rate, or to find the exact market or the best place where one can, buy things in the most affordable price. Because to be really honest, one cannot say that things are cheap at the moment in Nigeria. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Vicky. Thank you so very much for clicking on these videos to watch. Please, if you're new to my channel and you would love to support me, please do subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification so that YouTube will always inform you whenever I post a new video, and please subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. Anyway guys, today I'm on my way to the popular trade fair market where we get everything that has to do with food, condiments, where you buy it wholesale, where you can buy it in the most affordable rates, whether you're buying to stock up. Remember, it's almost season, the Christmas season, or you want to start like a business and you're looking for the right market to get things like this. This is the place to be. So I took it upon myself to come and show you guys where to get it. Like this video, the clip you're watching now is me on top of the bridge, the bridge in trade fair market. If you are anywhere in Lagos, find your way to Oshodi. When you get to Oshodi, ask anyone that you are going to mile 2. From mile 2, when you get to mile 2, just get a bus that will take you straight to trade fair. And of course, when you come down from the bridge you saw me walking through, you see these Okada men here. These are the men that will bring you to a plaza called the Jigawa Plaza. You understand? That plaza is where they sell everything that has to do with food, condiments, tomatoes, oil, salts and sugar, what have you. This is the face of the plaza.
So it's been 2 years since I did my last market vlog, and today I'm in the market and about to show you guys where they sell everything that has to do with packed food, from tomatoes to oil to noodles to anything that has to do with condiments and what have you understand. So I'm in a market and I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog, because there are specific places you can buy specific things, especially for those people who want to start a business or who feel like starting a certain kind of business. Like if you are that kind of a person that would love to start like a condiment business, or you want to buy it in bulk. It's almost season, you guys, you know how this thing is. So this is the market to be. This is where you can get things in the most affordable price here in Lagos. So I'll just be touring around the market. I don't know if you'll be seeing my face anymore, but whether you see my face or not, please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel, join the family. I really appreciate you. That's one of the things that will make me know that okay, these people are enjoying this video, so I should keep doing more. So yeah, I'm in a very popular market that sells everything that has to do with condiments, stew, oil, tomatoes, everything like salt, sugar, what have you. Like this is the place to buy whether you want to start like a business or not. So let us dive right into the video, because of course the prices of things are almost triple, if not 4 times the price since the last 2 years I did like a market vlog. So yeah, something that was sold 500 naira that last 2 years when I did my market vlog will be definitely between 2,000 to 3,000 naira now. So this is like an update of what has been or what should be. I might not be asking the prices for you guys to hear, but I'm just showing you the right place to get the right things at the right time, like in the most affordable rates there is. You understand? I might not say they are cheap, but it will be the most affordable that you can see in Nigeria or in the streets of Lagos, or you can see in the Lagos market, especially if you're buying in bulk or you are buying to sell. So enjoy the video. Oh, you don't have, how much you sell titles? This is not titles now.
This one is
S2. How much is this?
It's 4,000.
4,000.
No.
So how much is titles now?
5 pieces.
Okay, 4,000 naira. Are you serious now? Wow. So you don't sell, you don't have titles at the moment. Your knock cube is how much? 1,450. No, it's not. Do you have suya spice? A roll of this is how much?
Okay, 400.
The roll is 400. Give me a roll. How much is your sun ripe? 1,300. How much is this? 1,400. Is this the 100 pieces? I'll be 50 pieces. It's 80 pieces. How much is my gift? Groundlated one? 1,700. But this one, the groundlated one, is how much? Yeah, 1,800. Last one I bought, there was no spoon. I used to buy the last set I bought, there was spoon, but the last one I bought, I didn't see spoon. And it seems like there's no spoon in this one. Royco is how much? 1,200. How much is this? How much is this? Yeah. 1,400. For how many? For 10.
So if there's one thing about the people that sell in this Jigawa Plaza inside Trade Fair Market, they are completely wholesaler. Like if you intend to buy 1 or 2 or 3 of what they are selling, maybe you want to buy one each, this is not the place to come to. But if you intend to buy in bulk, like those monthly stock up, those things whereby you buy it in bulk just to stock up your house, stock up your shop, you understand, or to buy and gift to people, or to buy as souvenir. I know some people use things like this as souvenir in their parties. This is the market to actually come to. You just come to Trade Fair. Like I said, like in my other videos when I used to go to market vlogs, you get the act of, you know, wanting to vlog a particular shop and asking them for the prices and trying to put their contact really made me, was one of the reasons that actually made me to stop doing the market vlog completely. But in my recent market vlogs that I'll be going to now is mostly to just give you guys the sight and sounds of market and to show you guys the particular market to go for the best price of a particular product you're looking for in the market, not necessarily to actually put up a number. Well, if a particular trader is nice to me or responded to me nicely or made me feel, you know, welcomed, I might do well to just collect their number and, you know, place it in the video for you guys to see. Or if you want their numbers, for those ones that were nice to me, you just come to my Instagram and DM me and I will send you the number privately. I might not necessarily be putting the numbers of these traders in the description like I used to do in my other videos, because some of them don't even respond, and to be honest, it actually wasn't really, as in, I don't understand how he actually made it. It was part of the reason of trying to get their numbers that made me stop my last, you know, market vlogging, you get. So now I just come and I show you the market, tell you the address of the market, the particular place the market is, so you can just go there and get whatever you want. So yeah, in this video, like I said, it's for people who want to buy anything that has to do with condiments, you know, in wholesale. They do not sell one. They do not sell pieces in this market. It is strictly wholesale. So if you want to start a business, I'm repeating it, you want to stock up your home where you buy in bulk, in roll, this is the market to come to. You want to buy a souvenir or to give out this Christmas season that is coming, this festive season that is approaching. These are the kind of things. You have a party you want to cook, you get, and you know that you will buy these things a lot. This is the market to come to. Again, this is Trade Fair Market, and the particular name of this plaza is Jigawa Plaza. So find your way to Trade Fair on Badagry Expressway. Tell the bike guys at the entrance of the Trade Fair bridge, you get, that you want to go to Jigawa Plaza. They will bring you straight and drop you at the front of the entrance where I showed you in the first clip of this video, you get. Thank you so very much for watching my videos. I hope you did enjoy it. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me comments in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel. I'll most definitely see you all in my next video for food, condiments, and everything that has to do with, you know, condiments. This is the market to come to. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.